guys. Well, I thought let's do a little dress up if we were going out for New Year's Eve kind of look. And then I also thought let's take sequins into daytime style, so make it a little bit more casual. Well, let me show you my dress. First of all, on my mini me, there's a little bit of get ready with me going on there. This little dress I have worn, my friend gifted it to me. It didn't fit her any longer, and it fit me. Absolutely love the quality of it. I think it's a good number of years old, but it looks stunning. I love the different tones. I happen to have the green tights, and then of course my gold boots, which you've seen time and time again, and also this blazer I've had for a year now, and I love it. I wear it on repeat. This is from 𝐎𝐓𝐇𝐄 and still available. Not maybe in the green anymore, but they do have in a beautiful caramel colour and the purple that I wear, and navy. By the way, today, if you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Ruth. This is Style Yourself Fabulous. I firmly believe us ladies over 50 can look fabulous, and we don't have to wear black or beige. No, I don't believe in wearing either of those colours. I believe in wearing bright colours that reflect my bubbly personality, and I would say to you, let your style show your personality. Your clothes should make you feel brilliant, and that's what mine do, and they bring me joy. By the way, you get a little sneak peek into my dressing room today. Now, my dressing room isn't like other YouTube fashion content creators' dressing rooms. No, mine's is full of clutter. It was a spare bedroom that I've taken over. I will show you a little view round it in a minute or two. It's not very big, and it's very like basic with just rails and that, but it absolutely suits my purposes, and I can see everything I have at a glance. So that's the main thing. I can see and pick very easily what I'm going to put on every day. So you don't need a lot of money to create your own dressing room, guys. I've done this definitely very cheaply with a few rails and a few shoe racks and a few coat hangers, which I hang all my bags on and my hats, which you can see in the background there. I know they look a bit messy. I've got too many. I need to clear them out. I already have cleared a lot of my life, and some could go yet, but I just love accessories. And then my necklaces all hang over here. Can't help it. So yes, let's tell me more about mini me. I really like the mini dress look. With coloured tights especially, and the gold boots. I think it looks really quite funky and timeless as well. Also, I don't have my ears pierced. I don't know if any of you know that, so I've got little clip-on ears. Clip-on earrings that I think look really, really nice. Can't wear these for long, but I just wanted to show you them. I can wear them for about a few hours and then they start pinching, but I just think they look very glamorous. This is look number one with this little dress. I'm going to see if I can dress this dress down a bit. It's a bit of a tongue twister, isn't it? So watch on. I hope you will join me for today's Style Me Fabulous. Style You Fabulous. Laugh at myself. And enjoy my video. And remember, click, hit the little bell if you don't already, to get the notifications of my next video. Remember also, if you haven't subscribed, I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Drop me a comment below. Tell me what kind of things you like to wear. Is there something in particular that you would like me to style more appropriately for daytime? Let me know. Pop me a comment, and I promise you I will answer you and give you some good ideas. Right, let's pop on. I'm going to think what I'm going to do to dress this down. So the idea is now for me to dress it down a little bit, and I thought the first thing I'd do is pop a jumper on over the top of it and make it more look like a little skirt, because I think that looks a little bit more day appropriate. So I have this little jumper I got out of a charity shop back in the summertime. It's a little Marks and Spencer's one, a little bit of lyric thread coming through it, but you can actually see the underlayer coming through. Probably if I had a thicker jumper, I'd be happier. So right away, you can see me in the mirror there. That is what that looks like. And I'll show you mini me as well. The full length version always gives you a better idea. Now to change out these boots for something a little bit more chunky to give it a more daytime appropriate look. So I'll show you the look here in mini me, and I'll show you the bag I'm going to wear with that. I think just a little scarf to top it all off, And I think that's a very nice daytime look. Smart daytime look, should I say. Okay guys, so you're getting to see a little insight into my dressing room reality. Okay, so I put the fairy lights up before Christmas and I don't want to take them down. There's my tripod. So this is all my jackets and some blouses. And then there's more jackets here. And then my dresses along the back. A lot of my summer dresses I've away for the winter. And then I've got my shoe racks here. I do like my shoes. It's always room for more and I'm always doing clear outs. I just love them. My friend came up with the idea of cloakroom hangers for my bags. I bought one and then I really realised I needed more, so I hang my bags, and I've already got rid of a lot of my bags, and I still have quite a lot, as you can see there. I just love them. And then also a hook for all my jewellery, some of my jewellery. And then there's a basket there with more in it. Or the light of the light's showing funny. I've got a little mirror so you can see me there. And of course there's some Christmas things sitting that I haven't put away yet. I've scarves down there. I've got all my hats in that basket there. And see, there's a scarf that has escaped into it. Yeah, I could do with a bit of a tidy up. It really could. Oh yes, and I have a little space for my granddaughter's toys because she comes on Mondays and this is her playroom. So it's kind of a cosy space with lots of stuff. But I know where everything is now, and that's the main thing of my dressing room. It's a room I can have all to myself, and it's just lovely being able to go in and just see things to wear and just grab them. Before I was sort of like in this wardrobe and that wardrobe, and my shoes were all like a higgledy-piggledy and I couldn't find them. Sometimes I couldn't even find the partner of a certain pair of shoes. So now everything is a little bit more easier to keep. And all very reasonable. These little shoe racks came out of eBay. I think they might have been about £10 each. The clothes racks, rails, weren't expensive either. Now they were a bit fiddly to build, but I left that to my hobby. He's got patience for these things, whereas I don't read instructions and he does. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's Style Yourself Fabulous. I hope you'll come back and join me again. I will say again, if you haven't already subscribed, I would love if you would consider subscribing. Hit the little bell to get my notifications. Remember the thumbs up and pop me a comment below. Thank you so much, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.